Hello everyone and welcome back to this video. In this one, I will show you how to count the documents that you have inserted into an index. Again, I keep talking about this my index example, but bear with me. You will understand what I will show you in this video. Let's say that we have inserted some documents to this index, but we forgot how many documents we have in the index. To be able to count the documents, we use the count method. This method receives one parameter, which is the index. Okay, so when we feed the index to this method, it gives us the number of documents. We can also provide this method another parameter, which is called the query. This parameter is used to match certain criteria. For example, if you want to search for a specific word in all the documents, this method will return you that number of documents that has that specific word. That's all I had to show you about the count documents in this video. If you want to read more, please make sure to click on this link. Now, let's go to the code to show you how to use this functionality. Make sure to open the 8th notebook. Here, as you can see, first you need to connect to Elasticsearch. After that, we are creating the myIndex index. Here again, we are using that dummy data JSON file to insert 3 documents. And as you can see, to count the documents, we can use the count method. Here we are providing the index, and in the response object, we can access the count value. And if I run this cell, it says that the number of documents in the index is 3, which is correct. And here is an example that shows you how to use the query. Here you can see that we have some specific things related to date, because here I am searching for a specific document that has this value. So let me show you what I'm talking about. If we look at the dummy data JSON file, you can see that I have a field which is called created on. This is going to be mapped into a data field. And when searching or when making a query, we have some specific terms that we can use for data fields, like range, greater than or equal, and less than or equal. Don't worry about this. I will talk about this in details in the search API in one of the upcoming videos. So here, basically, I am searching for a document which has the value 2024-924. Okay, and here it returns me 1, which is correct. If I go back to the dummy data JSON file, let's put it aside. You can see that we have just one document with this value. Now, if I change this and put 24 again here, and let me run everything. Okay, so here it gives you 0 because it needs some time to index the files. But if I run it one more time, you can see that now it says that we found 2 documents with this value in the created on field. We arrived at the end of this video. I hope that it was helpful. Please, before leaving this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you like. See you in the next video.